Welcome to Clean Eats Lifestyle Kitchen. Alright, so today we're gonna make brown stew snapper fish. So I started already by adding my salt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Put some inside. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Maggie all-purpose seasoning. Inside. Some cayenne pepper. Some chili pepper. A bit of chipotle. And some cumin. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add a bit of ginger. I'm gonna add some fresh garlic. 2 cloves of fresh garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and add some onions. Some white onions. More garlic. 2 sprigs of thyme. We're gonna go in with our escalion or long onions. Tomatoes. Some bell peppers. You can use whichever color bell peppers you prefer. Me, I'm just using like a mixture of all 3: orange, yellow, and green. Add some more bell peppers. Last but not least, some scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to go in and add some all-purpose to the fresh seasoning that we just added. And we're going to go ahead and add some pimento seeds. Alright, this is the last ingredient, some pimento seeds. We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin, so the seasoning can marinate, or the fish can marinate rather. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Turn the other side and do the same thing. Bit of salt, onion powder, some cayenne, some more chili pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, some cumin, and a bit of chipotle powder. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle everything into one. just adding a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna leave this so it can marinate. I'm gonna go ahead and make my brown stew fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop some garlic into it. After frying fish, we're gonna add the veggies, the pre-cut veggies, back to the frying pan. We're gonna let it saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add half a cup of water to the frying pan. Let it simmer until the gravy becomes thick. Add a tablespoon of ketchup to the gravy and add a little bit of Maggie all-purpose seasoning. Add the fish back to the gravy and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Add fresh parsley to the fish. Let it simmer and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Final product: brown stew fish with boiled bananas, dumpling, and sweet potato. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below if you want to see more content like this. Thank you. Clean Eats Lifestyle Kitchen.
It's a mouthful.
Yeah.